Good morning, dear students. Today we are discussing the next topic is measures of dispersion. Guys, first of all we discuss what is the meaning of dispersion. So, dispersion measures the variation of the series of the items. Clear? What is dispersion? It measures of the variation in the series or in the item. Clear beta? Method of measure of dispersion. Guys, we have a lot of methods of measures of dispersion. So first method is range, next one quartile deviation, next one mean deviation. Under this chapter we have discussed two topics: mean deviation by mean deviation by median. Next one is standard deviation and coefficient of standard deviation. Clear guys? See once again, today we have discussed the next topic is measures of dispersion. What is dispersion? Guys, it measures of the variation in the series, in the item. That is called dispersion. So dispersion measures the variation of the series. Clear? We have a lot of methods of measures of dispersion. The first one is range, next one quartile deviation, coefficient of quartile deviation, next one mean deviation and coefficient of mean deviation, next one standard deviation and coefficient of standard deviation. Dear students, first of all we will discuss range. So range denoted with R. What is range? Guys, you know that it is a difference between the highest and lowest values. So the formula of range is equal to R is equal to H minus L. Clear? We will find out range under three series: individual, discrete or continuous series. First of all, we will discuss individual series. Clear beta? See. Measures of dispersion. What is dispersion? It measures of the variation of the items or in the series. Method of measuring of dispersion. We have a lot of methods: range or coefficient of range, QD quarterly deviation and coefficient of quarterly deviation. Next one mean deviation and coefficient of mean deviation. Next one standard deviation and coefficient of standard deviation. So dear students, first of all we will discuss range. What is range? It is a difference between the highest value and lowest value of the series is called range. Range denoted with R. So the formula R is equal to H minus L. H means highest value and L means lowest value. Clear beta? The next one is formula the coefficient of range. H minus L divided by H plus L. Dear students, we will find out range in three series: individual, discrete or continuous series. Under all series, we are apply the formula R is equal to H minus L, or coefficient of range is equal to H minus L divided by H plus L. So first of all, we will discuss range under individual series. So the recognition of individual series: under this series is given only item. That's your 10, 12, 17, 20, 25, 28, 30, 35. So dear students, 40. So dear students, first of all, that's your item is given. You will give the serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. After that you will apply the formula. Find range. So we know that R is equal to H minus L. H means highest values. That's your 40 is the highest value. L lowest value. That's your 10 lowest value. So range R is equal to 40 minus 10. So R is equal to 30. Clear? that's your range. Now we will find out coefficient of range. So coefficient of range, the formula H minus L divided by H plus L. So that's your 40 minus 10 divided by 40 plus 10. So that's your 30 divided by 50. So is equal to 0.6. That's your coefficient of range. Clear beta? Under indivisible series, only item is given. You will find, first of all you will give the serial number. After that you will apply the formula R range equal to H minus L, H highest value, L lowest value, and the range is highest minus lowest, that means 40 minus 10 will be equal to 30. And coefficient of range equal to highest minus lowest divided by highest plus lowest. So 40 minus 10 divided by 40 plus 10 will be equal to 40 minus 10 30 and 40 plus 10 50. That means 0.6. That's your answer. Coefficient of range under indivisible series. Clear beta? Yes beta. We will find out range under discrete series. So the formula same as range R is equal to highest minus lowest limit, and coefficient of range is equal to H minus L divided by H plus L. So under discrete series, dear students, item and frequency is given. That's your item is given like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 or 18. That's your frequency like 1, 3, 8, 4, 9, 6, 7, 10, 12. So dear students, under these series we use only item. We will find out range. So the formula R is equal to H minus L. In the item, highest value is 18 and the lowest value, that's your 10. So you will find out range 18 minus 10, R is equal to 8. Clear? That's your range. After that you will find out coefficient of range. So the formula H minus L divided by H plus L, coefficient of range. Highest value, that's your 18 minus 10 divided by 18 plus 10. So coefficient of range is equal to 8 divided by 28. So coefficient of range is equal to 0.29. That's your answer under discrete series. So dear students, under discrete series, item and frequency is given. So we use only item. In the highest amount 18 in the item and the lowest amount 10 in the item. Then after that we will apply the formula range. R is equal to H minus L. So R is equal to highest limit 18 minus L lowest limit 10. So R is equal to 8. Coefficient of range, that's over H minus L divided by H plus L. The coefficient of range is equal to 18 minus 10 and 18 plus 10. Then the coefficient of range is equal to 18 minus 10 will be equal to 8. 18 plus 10 will be equal to 28. So coefficient of range is equal to 0.9. That's your answer. Clear beta? See guys, range under continuous series. So formula will be same as range denoted with R, H minus L, and coefficient of range equal to h minus L divided by h plus L. Under continuous series, class interval is given like 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, or 70 to 80. That's your frequency like 8, 10, 7, 9, 6, 4, 2. Clear? We will find range. So the formula R is equal to H minus L. So under this series, the highest value is 80 and the lowest value is 10. So our range is equal to 80 minus 10 will be equal to 70. Clear? That's your answer. We will find out coefficient of range. So the formula H minus L divided by H plus L. So coefficient of range is equal to 80 minus 10 divided by 80 plus 10. So coefficient of range is equal to 70 divided by 90. So coefficient of range is equal to 0.70. That's your answer. Dear students, when in the question is given inclusive series, that's your class interval and frequency. 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, or 60 to 69. That's your frequency 8, 12, 27 or 3. So under these, first of all you will correct its class interval. You will subtract in L1 0.5 and you will add it in L2 0.5. So that's your 19.5 to 29.5, 29.5 to 39.5, 39.5 to 49.5, 49.5 to 59.5, 59.5 to 69.5. After that you will apply the formula. So that's your highest limit 69.5 and that's your lowest limit 19.5. After that you will find out range. R is equal to H minus L. So R is equal to 69.5 minus 19.5. So R is equal to 50. You will also find out coefficient of range. The formula H minus L divided by H plus L. That's your 69.5 minus 19.5 divided by 69.5 plus 19.5. So CR is equal to, that's your 50 divided by 89. So coefficient of range is equal to 0.562. Clear? That's your answer. Clear beta? So that's your range is finished. Thank you very much. If you have any problem in this topic, then you can contact me. Thank you very much beta.